Hello guys, how are you? I hope everyone is doing good and being safe. Today we are going to compare two very budget friendly but very powerful gaming laptops. Asus TUF A15 versus MSI Bravo 15. Both the laptops are available in the range of 70,000 to 75,000 rupees in Amazon and Flipkart respectively. Asus TUF 15 is probably the toughest gaming laptop in this range with their military grade toughness as claimed by Asus. But MSI Bravo 15 also has most of its body made up of metal, which holds up really good in real life usage. Both the laptops have really aggressive gaming design and have almost the same weight of around 2.3 kgs. Talking about their display, both the laptops have 15.6 inch 1920 x 1080p IPS display. Both the laptops have 144Hz refresh rate and comes with their sync options which reduces lag, minimize shuttering and eliminate visual tearing for ultra smooth gameplay. If we compare brightness of these laptops, they both are very close to 250 nits in Bravo 15 and 270 nits in TUF A15. Both the laptops are not that color accurate, so if you are a content creator or do a lot of editing, then look somewhere else. Both the laptops are built on 7nm technology. Now let's compare their CPU and GPU. Both the laptops are powered with AMD Ryzen 5 46000H, which is a hexa-core processor with 6 cores and 12 threads. This processor performs really great and is one of the favorites right now in the laptop market. The GPU used in these two laptops are different. MSI is an all AMD laptop and comes with Radeon RX 5500M, and Asus TUF 15 comes with Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. Both the graphics card are very powerful and are vividly suggested in budget gaming laptops. RX 5500 in Bravo 15 performs a bit smoothly in gaming than GTX 1650 Ti, but they are neck to neck during most of the performance tests. Both comes with GDDR6 4GB dedicated memory. Bravo 15 comes with 16GB DDR4 RAM and upgradable up to 64GB, whereas TUF A15 comes with 8GB DDR4 RAM and upgradable up to 32GB. Bravo 15 is probably the only laptop in this price range to give 16GB RAM out of the box. Both of them comes with 2 RAM slots. Both of the laptops support dual channel RAM memory. 32GB RAM upgradable option is more than enough for gaming or any other tasks. Bravo 15 comes with 512GB of SSD NVMe M.2 PCIe Gen 3 storage, which is upgradable up to 1TB of NVMe M.2 PCIe Gen 3 or SATA storage option, and there is no HDD storage available for this laptop. Whereas TUF A15 comes with hybrid storage drive with 256GB NVMe M.2 SSD and 1TB HDD storage option. TUF A15 comes with a 48 Wh battery with average battery life of 5 to 6 hours. It is a 3-cell battery. And Bravo 15 comes with 51 Wh battery with average battery life of 6 to 7 hours. It is a 6-cell battery. Now let's compare the deciding factor of these laptops. If you are buying a gaming laptop, always remember to check how well the thermals are of the laptop. Thermals help the laptop to keep it cool while playing heavy games and during heavy tasks. This is where the Bravo 15 probably beats the TUF A15. There are 6 heat pipes available in Bravo 15 compared to just 3 heat pipes in TUF A15. There are no side vents available in TUF A15, which is very disappointing. Even the vents on the bottom of the TUF A15 are not as good as they are in Bravo 15. Bravo 15 has a vent on its right chassis and the overall thermal system is very powerful. TUF A15 gets very loud and temperature reaches very high while playing games, whereas Bravo 15 tends to keep it cool. This is the only field where the TUF A15 gets really behind. They both come with all the ports required and have really great speakers and camera. Bravo 15 comes with Dragon Center and TUF A15 comes with its Armoury Crate. This helps the user to get more information about the laptop's current situation and allows the user to make changes as per his or her requirements. Bravo 15 comes with single colored backlit keyboard, whereas TUF A15 comes with its one zone RGB backlighting. To conclude, I would say that both the laptops are really amazing in this price range. Both the laptops provide lots of features in an entry-level gaming laptop. If you want an all AMD laptop with great thermals and very useful gaming interface and 16GB RAM out of the box, then go with MSI Bravo 15 without any doubt. But if your budget is really tight and can't go above 70,000 to 71,000, then go with TUF A15 as it has a great CPU and GPU combination and performs really well. Build quality is also great as claimed by Asus and comes with both SSD and HDD storage options. But if you can spend 5000 more, then go with Bravo 15, or you can consider HP Omen 15 with Ryzen 5 4600H and Nvidia GTX 1650 Ti. It has the best in class thermals, but it comes with 60Hz refresh rate. If you are a casual gamer, then you should consider this laptop. That's all for this video. I hope I could help you out with this comparison. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.